Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make teriyaki chicken. Actually, I posted about teriyaki twice in my channel. Thanks to my first video of teriyaki, my channel was exposed to the world. And then I posted over 100 videos, so my ability of making videos has improved. That's why I decided to remake the video about teriyaki to make it easier to understand and follow. I hope this video will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll prepare chicken thigh. It is 300 grams. I recommend to use 250 to 400 grams of chicken thigh in this recipe. If you use 2 chicken thighs, please multiply the sauce recipe by 1.5. The preparation is so simple. First, I trim off the excess skin and fat off, because they will give a lot of juice during cooking. The flavor of it is nice, but too much juice prevents us from making rich and sticky teriyaki sauce. Nice. Then I remove the remaining bones, but small bones are edible, so we can skip it. From now, I'll introduce the most important thing of the preparation. Please look at this point. It's really thin, almost skin. On the other hand, this part is very thick. So I trim off this part and transfer it to thin part. Okay, it allows us to cook the chicken evenly, and we can enjoy juicy and tender chicken. I let it stand for 30 minutes at room temperature. It is also important to make juicy chicken. Meanwhile, I'll prepare some garnishes. First, Japanese leek. It is made in Saitama Prefecture. We can use the onion instead of it. I trim off the head part and cut it into pieces. I make a fine cut to the surface to cook it quickly. If the leek is cooked well, it becomes sweet. This is my favorite cutting way. Good. Okay. Next, this is radish sprouts kaiware. They are produced in Chiba Prefecture. The feature of the taste is a little bit pungency. It goes well with the rich flavor of teriyaki. Today I'll use these and cut them into thirds. Nice. Next, these are nori seaweeds. It produced in Saga Prefecture, Ariake Sea. I tear them into small pieces. I'm sure nori seaweed is good with teriyaki. Okay, nori is ready. Next, these are sauce ingredients. 35 grams of soy sauce, 30 grams of mirin, 30 grams of sake, and 15 grams of sugar. This mirin is produced by Kankyo Shuzo in Aichi Prefecture. Mirin is an essential ingredient to create the shiny and stickiness. I recommend to measure them in advance. If you don't get mirin and sake, you can use ginger ale instead of them. I introduced how to make teriyaki with it carefully. If you like, please check it. Okay, let's cook the chicken. I add the vegetable oil to the pan and spread it. Good. I add the chicken facing skin side down. And put the pressure to attach the skin to the pan entirely. It is quite important to brown the skin evenly and beautifully. I put the pressure by my hand, and it's good to use a spatula. When the chicken is cooked, it shrinks, especially skin, so I keep attaching the skin to the pan for about 5 minutes. And it is good to use a small plate as well. I mostly use a small plate to cook teriyaki. I'm sure this way is easy and efficient. The demerit is that the hot oil splashes to my hands. However, we can put something on the plate as a weight. I move the pan to spread the oil below the chicken entirely. This oil makes the skin nice crispy. It is also important. I keep the medium-low heat and brown the skin for about 10 minutes without turn over it. I'll teach you one tip. Someone use potato starch before grilling the chicken. It helps to coat the chicken with the sauce, but I don't use it to enjoy pure flavor of the chicken. That's why it's important to brown the chicken well. 5 minutes later, I remove the plate. The plate may be hot, so please take care of burning. The chicken is clearly not cooked. Then I add the Japanese leek. I cook them for about 3 minutes. I turn over them. Beautiful. The leek absorbs the delicious chicken flavor. I cook them for more few minutes. 2 minutes later, I'll check it. Almost. The tip is to continue cooking about 8 minutes without check. It helps to make the skin nice browned and crispy. I'll check it again. It is best. Okay, I'll turn over the chicken. Perfect. The skin is nice browned. Browning the skin is quite important to coat the sauce over the chicken. I cook them for about 1 minute. Okay, I turn off the heat and remove the chicken and Japanese leek. I cook the chicken for about 10 minutes totally. It is important to brown the chicken within 10 minutes to prevent it from becoming hard. It is not cooked yet, but this is best. Then I add sauce ingredients: sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. I reheat it and stir it to dissolve the sugar. Okay. Then I reduce the sauce until it becomes rich and sticky. It is watery. The heat is medium. Okay, like this, the sauce becomes nice sticky. Great. I turn down the heat and return the chicken and Japanese leek. Japanese leek adds a nice flavor to the sauce. Finally, I pour the sauce over the chicken. The sauce is on chicken very easily because the chicken is browned and the sauce is sticky. This sauce has the rich flavor of chicken and Japanese leek. Almost. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. I turn on the heat. I let it stand for a few minutes to prevent the chicken from releasing the juice. A few minutes later, let's cut it. This time, I cut it into slices. You can cut it any way you like. It's also good to cut it into big chunks. If you like, please try this cutting way. Nice. I'll transfer it to sometsuke plate. And arrange the chicken like this. Nice. Then I put radish sprouts on it. Okay, teriyaki is done. And teriyaki is perfect with the rice. I arrange it on the rice bowl. Good. And put the nori seaweed on the rice.
then teriyaki. Nice. Japanese leek. Good. Finally, kaiware. Beautiful. Teriyaki rice bowl is done. いただきます。The chicken is tender and juicy. It is so delicious. And the chicken goes well with the rice. I'll eat the chicken and Japanese leek. This combo is also good. Perfect taste. And we can use the leftover sauce. Put it on the rice, put it on the chicken, and so on.
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make teriyaki. Teriyaki is very simple and delicious, but it is not easy to master. Cooking time and how much we reduce the sauce are very important. I hope you will enjoy delicious teriyaki. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.